We are in the Cassia enclave of Bressi Ranch, which is located just a few short steps over to the shopping and dining and all the hustle and bustle of Bressi Village, yet we're tucked away on this nice, private, and one of the most coveted streets in the entire neighborhood.
Welcome to 6323 Montecito Drive. This is our absolute favorite single-story floor plan in all of the community. Let's show you why.
One of the first things you're going to notice when you walk in the home is these soaring 10-foot ceilings and just the overall size and scale of every single room.
And who wouldn't want to entertain in this chef's kitchen that opens up to this bright and spacious great room?
We've also seen this office converted into a bedroom, so you can add a closet here and you can easily put a doorway in that gives you direct access to the bathroom that's right behind this wall.
And this is our very favorite single-story floor plan in the entire community because every bedroom has an ensuite bath.